Welcome to our channel, my friends. In this video we show you Semizkum camping, which is located in the Silivri district of the European side of Istanbul, where you can both see and camp. In this content, we will inform you about Semizkum Mocamp. You can find answers to many questions such as where, how to go, entrance fees and camping activities. Also, you can support us by subscribing to our channel. Semizkum Mocamp is located within the borders of Istanbul Silivri. It has a 250-meter-long beach, a shallow sandy sea that is safe for children, and a caravan and tent capacity of 250 to 300. It is one of the biggest camping areas in Turkey. Semizkum come to Mocamp from 8 a.m. to 2 a.m., and the friendly and hospitable staff are always ready to welcome you. Semizkum Mocamp, the summer season opens on May 15, and the winter season on September 15. Semizkum, when we look at the entrance fees of Mocamp 2023, it is 150 TL for those who go daily. If you are going to stay with a tent or caravan, the daily entrance fee is 200 TL. By the way, the entrance fee includes the use of umbrellas, sunbeds. You can use shower, WC, dishwashing areas, barbecue burning areas free of charge. Also with your own tent, 200 TL operation tents, 250 TL caravan camp, 300 TL bungalow accommodation. It varies between 400 TL and 1800 TL. Accommodation with your caravan 100 TL per person. If you have a personal caravan, there is a daily fee of 200 TL. You can also find out about reservations and current prices by calling 0212 711 20 58. Semizkum, how to get to Mocamp. By bus. From Esenler or Harem bus station, you can take all buses going to Tekirdağ Korlu direction. After passing the Silivri Maxi shopping center, it will be enough to get off at Karagöz and go down to the beach. By car, you can reach the camping area from the E5 highway or the toll TM highway. If you are coming from the TM highway, from the Silivri TM exit, connect to the E5 road and continue until you see the Maxi shopping center. After seeing the shopping center, return to the direction of Istanbul from the second underpass and proceed for 2 kilometers. On the right, when you look towards the sea, you will see the camp. Semizkum Mocamp offers 3 different accommodation options within the camping area as tents, caravans and bungalows. In tent accommodation, the tents in the facility are offered with options for 2 people, 3 people and 4 people. There are beds, pillows and duvets inside the tents. There are communal areas to meet the needs of showers and toilets in their accommodation. You can also stay with your own tent. Caravan accommodation. Caravans are offered with options for 2 people, 3 people and 4 people. Facilities such as beds, pillows, duvets, kitchens and toilets are available in the caravans. Bungalows are offered with 2-person and 4-person options. Bungalows have amenities such as beds, pillows, duvets, kitchens and toilets. You can use approximately 100 straw umbrellas and 750 sun loungers located along the beach in the camping area free of charge. Again, you can sit and eat at the wooden picnic tables of 4 and 8, lined up along the beach, or relax in the shade. Visitors who have not made a reservation in advance are not allowed to stay. In addition, male visitors alone are not accepted to the establishment. If you ask how Semizkum beach and sea are not so good, sea can be expected when we first enter, because it is right next to the Marmara Sea and Istanbul. But it is noticed that it is not that bad. It has a shallow and fine sandy sea, and when you first enter the sea, there is a bit of algae. But when you advance 10 meters, you encounter a clean sea. It is not very good, but it is one of the cleanest places to swim in Istanbul. Semizkum Mocamp as eating and drinking. There is a cafeteria and restaurant in the camp where you can eat. If you wish, you can have snacks, meatballs or sandwiches in the market. By the way, yes, there is a market. Their prices are the same here as they are outside. The cafeteria part is also the same as the prices outside. If you wish, you can light your barbecue in special barbecue areas. There is no ban on bringing food and drink from outside, but you can get them at the same prices in the market section, so you cannot bring them so that it is not a waste. What's inside Semizkum Mocamp? Semizkum Mocamp, it is really a campground equipped with facilities. There is a sink, electricity, shower, 24 hours hot water, tent and bungalow accommodation, Wi-Fi, restaurant and cafeteria, market, dishwashing and laundry, refrigerator, air conditioning and TV in the bungalow rooms, children's playground and parking area. In addition, there are many different activities and activity options. These activities include beach volleyball, basketball, mini football, tennis, table tennis, water slides and children's playground. Activity and event prices are usually free. When we examine the Semizkum Mocamp comments as positive, it's a safe place, only the bay does not accept it. You can swim with your family very comfortably and have fun. The prices are affordable and the possibilities are quite extensive. The staff is caring and respectful, and pets are accepted. Negatively, it is very crowded, especially on weekends. The facility needs some renovation, so greening can be done a little more. It's not very close, so we suggest you come as if you can stay. The parking area gets the sun all day long. Frankly, we could not find a very negative aspect. We would definitely recommend it to you. Yes, friends, we have come to the end of a video. If you have any questions that we missed or want to add, you can write them in the comments section. You can also thank us by subscribing to our channel. We wish everyone a good time.